This beat, you've heard it. Sean Paul, Brick and Lace, Wayne Wonder, Elephant Man, Bounty Killer, they all rode this rhythm. But guess where it came from? Jamaica. A man named Stephen Lenky Marsden dropped the Diwali rhythm. Clap-driven, fast, foreign-sounding. It took dancehall global. This wasn't no yard-only rhythm. This was prime-time BET, MTV, TRL level. And Lenky, quiet, humble, never loud. But his rhythm, loud. The whole world was dancing to Jamaican drums, whether they knew it or not. That's dominance.
Wayne Wonder Lexus, let's go!
I love it when the woman them surround me, and I know about that girl fi pound me. Sha-la-la, sha-la-la.
This is Yardnology.